Hi, I'm Benedetta from Local Aromas in Italy, and I'm here with my sister Valeria. Vale, name the 4 Roman pastas.
The 4 Roman pastas: pasta alla matriciana, pasta alla gricia, pasta alla carbonara, and pasta cacio and pepe.
Follow us, we're going to show you the only vegetarian option out there.
Andiamo.
Buonasera, sì, sì. Prego. Grazie.
Wonderful.
Well,
are you
I know
ready?
what we're having. I'm ready. I cannot wait.
For pasta cacio and pepe. Grazie mille.
Grazie.
Grazie.
This is like, wow.
Wow, it is beautiful. We're having pasta cacio and pepe, which is one of the 4 Roman pastas, but the only one that does not have one ingredient that the others have. What is it, Benny?
Guanciale, which is that
The
succulent
pork jowl.
pork jowl.
Yes, yes. And just has 2 ingredients. It may seem easy to make.
But it is not. Remember, the fact that it has 2 ingredients might trick you to think it's easy, but it's not, because it takes art to look at this cream, and this cream is done.
That's like the whole secret of the recipe is the cream.
So practically you have this, in this case, this is tonnarelli. So tonnarelli is boiled to perfection, al dente, please. And then it's drained, it's put in a nice pot, and then there's tons of pepper that is sprinkled on it. And then the starchy water, and that is the secret. So no cream, no nothing, just a starchy water, and you start turning it, and then you start sprinkling a ton of Pecorino Romano on top, and you stir until the starch and the Pecorino create this art, this
beautiful
artwork.
Pasta cacio and pepe is actually a very, very ancient pasta. It's a very ancient recipe. It dates back to the Roman Empire, when the shepherds would bring the sheep during the spring and summer
yeah.
to graze out in the hills. They would bring with them like
2 ingredients that would never go bad.
Right. They would get the dried pasta that they would prepare in advance, then a sheep cheese, which is aged, and black pepper. And that is it. That is simple. So it's a very rich dish. So they would survive these months away from home. It is.
I would like to survive a month away from home.
I know.
With cacio e pepe.
So yeah, I mean, Benny,
Yes.
what are you missing? We talked about the pasta, but there's some very important thing to say.
Wine. I mean, remember, go local. So you have a nice glass of red wine with this stunning cacio e pepe. And I mean, what else could you ask for? So I think we should never eat pasta cold. So I think we should really go and dive into this deliciousness. So when you come to Rome, remember to give this dish a try.
It is an ancient recipe, peasant background, and it is so, so local.
And so, so delicious.